There's new building construction close to me. You can see they are just constructing the house, a new building. It's a new site. They are working on it. You see, where I live, this is how they built it before we finally came in. This is another new site, and I think by next year, January or February or so, you people will parking there, parking here. As you can see, they're just doing it now. They are building it. It's very close to me. This is my compound. This is where I live, and this is what they are doing here. It's a new building. It's a new site. You see, the white people, they take their time. They build. They take their time. They don't rush. They do it gently, gently. They will budget the time, maybe a year plus to do it, and at that time they give the extra day, they will make sure they complete the building. You can see, and this is where I live. This is my back. Here is forest, and here is my garden where children play. You see, this Tripoli. Here is my garden. You can see. The other side is my neighbor. We live here. It's a peaceful place, and the environment is cool. You can see the back. You can see here is nature. You see this where I like. This is tomatoes. You can see we plant. I also plant these tomatoes. See tomatoes. This is my wife tomatoes. You can see it. It's tomatoes. Tomatoes here. It's fresh. You can see. This is the can we use it to wet the tomatoes. We fill it with water. It will be dropping slowly so that it will serve for a long time. You see, there's corn. This is my little watermelon. You can see here is corn, but because of the land is not too fertile, they are not growing well. So that's it. You can see nature here. Everywhere is good. That is it. Thank you. If you like the video, share.